In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Marmalead for Etsy. If you sell on Etsy and want clearer guidance on keywords and search visibility, Marmalead is a popular tool that analyzes real shopper data to help you optimize your listings. I'll walk you through how to access it from your Etsy account and what to expect as you get set up. Start by opening the Etsy website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use for your shop. It's easiest to follow along on a desktop since the navigation is more visible there. From the Etsy homepage, head to Shop Manager. This is your seller dashboard, where you manage listings, orders, and settings. Once you're inside Shop Manager, look for the section labeled Apps. This area is where Etsy lists integrations that can connect to your shop and extend your capabilities. In the Apps section, scroll until you find Marmalead. Depending on your view, you might see a list of integrations with brief descriptions. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the page carefully, as the list can be long. When you spot Marmalead, click it to open its details page. Here, Etsy provides an overview of what Marmalead offers. In short, it's designed to help improve your SEO and support revenue growth by giving you insights into keywords, competition, and market trends on Etsy. Think of SEO here as making your listings easier for shoppers to find when they search. Tools like Marmalead can help you refine your titles, tags, and descriptions so they match how buyers actually search, without resorting to guesswork. When you're ready to learn more, click the Learn More button. This will take you to Marmalead's website in a new tab. On that site, you'll find detailed information about features, examples, and plan options. Review what's included so you can choose the plan that fits your shop size and goals. When you sign up, you'll be prompted to connect your Etsy account. Follow the on-screen prompts and authorize the connection so Marmalead can analyze your listings and search performance. It's a good idea to skim the permissions and confirm they align with what you expect from a keyword and analytics tool. Once your Etsy account is connected, you're set. From there, explore keyword suggestions and audit your existing listings to identify opportunities. Keep your keywords relevant and natural. Update titles and tags thoughtfully, and give changes time to take effect. To recap, open Etsy, go to Shop Manager, open Apps, select Marmalead, click Learn More, then sign up, choose a plan, and connect your Etsy account.